Sanicondens Best Flat, a 2-in-1 unit that neutralizes and pumps away aggressive acidic condensate from HVAC systems, high-efficiency condensing boilers, tankless water heaters, and others. Being 2-in-1, it is less expensive, reliable, and saves space. It can be easily installed on a flat surface or wall. Harsh condensate enters from the top and side inlets. Non-acidic condensate goes into an additional inlet. Inside, the built-in neutralizer raises pH to safe levels, a requirement increasingly enforced by plumbing codes in the US and Canada, preventing corrosion to pipes and sewers. Then, it pumps condensate up and away from the soil track, handling up to 500,000 BTU per hour. The discharge has a non-return valve. With a float mechanism, it operates for a few seconds each cycle for minimal power consumption. Lastly, the neutralizing medium is easily replaceable by opening the compartment. That's it. Sanicondens Best Flat, the 2-in-1 unit that neutralizes and pumps harsh condensate. A product by SFA Saniflo, worldwide leader in above-the-floor plumbing solutions. Check out our full range of condensate products.